You can see that this is firm and stable. This is the metal that I was telling you about. So look at this. It has a bag that you can take with you on the go. It is really good. It's also big and firm. And now let me actually show you how this is done. So number one, you remove the Velcro right here. Then you open this until you hear a click. Put these two brackets right here just to make sure that connects with each other. Just like that. One. And the second one. And you hear that click as well. So right here, you're gonna find two pins. That's gonna be kind of like for the size of each one of this. So you secure that one, and it's gonna get the job done. So right now, this is ready for putting up the table right here on top. Super nice and easy. You're gonna make sure that makes contact right here. It has like a locking feature that you're gonna use. Let me actually flip it down this way. You can see that this is firm and stable. This is the metal that I was telling you about. You can see the structure right here with, again, it's super strong and firm, and the legs are gonna be super good to adapt to the terrain as well. So I like it. I do recommend this one. And what I like about this one is number one, that it's kind of like this really nice metal. And then what I really like about this one is the size. This thing is pretty big. It's very stable and firm, so you can put here, let's say that you're in a camping ground and you need to work. I really like this one. I think it's really good for the outdoors life. You can see how easy it is to fold and unfold and put in the carry-on bag. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up. I do recommend it.